Hey, what's going on, trappers? The Street released an article talking about Palantir. We're going to talk about it today. Analysts revamps Palantir stock price, target on earnings, and a Microsoft deal. Hey, everything must be boding well for Palantir, right? Possibly so. Let's go through this article. And as I always do, we're going to talk about the price prediction for the stock. See where it's going to go. Palantir Technology shares edged higher in early Friday trading after a top Wall Street analyst revamped his price target on the group following its solid second quarter earnings report and a key partnership to expand its flagship AI platform. I like how these articles always start out to make it seem as if the price in Palantir only went up because a Wall Street analyst changed his price target. Because that word right here, after, no, Palantir was going to go up regardless. Whether or not this analyst increased their price target or not, this one analyst is not going to move the price like that. Palantir, which raised its annual profit forecast for the second time this year on August the 5th, is one of the few stocks on Wall Street that wasn't hauled down by the broader market volatility triggered by leveraged currency trades earlier this week. Well, hold up. When did this article come out? August the 9th, last Friday. When you look at the stock price, what you mean it didn't get hauled down? Look at this. What in the world are they talking about? Because we did a price prediction in Palantir on the 23rd of July, the market in Palantir on earnings cratered all the way down to our massive trend line that we created. So what in the world is the street talking about? It wasn't mauled down by market volatility. Because it did increase volatility in the last couple of weeks. But who cares? The data analytics group published record quarterly profit of 6 cents. 6 cents a share for the 3 months ending in June, with sales rising 27% to $678 million, thanks in part from surging demand from its AIP Logic platform, which tests and improves AI-related strategies. Everyone's getting on this AI train. That's where the new hustle is. This is where the new money is being created. And if the money's going to flow in AI, best believe people, companies like Palantir, they're going to invest more into it. And currently, it looks like it's reaping benefits. A big boost in commercial division sales, which surged 55%, also suggests Palantir is having success in expanding its overall business outside its legacy government client list. That's a good thing. In order for the stock price to continue to trend in an upward direction, they need to expand. They need to go into different markets outside of just these classified, silent government contracts that they have. They need to create products that other private businesses outside of the government can utilize for their benefit. And well, that's what they're doing. Quote, the performance tells us that Palantir's value proposition for AI and generative AI solutions continue to resonate with customers despite a crowded and opaque market landscape. This is what Jordan Berger is saying. Quote, we've heard from experts that downsizing and initial deployment of Palantir's Foundry platform could significantly broaden the company's addressable market, and the introduction of AIP, that Logic platform, and the bootcamp sales model appear to be successfully facilitating that transition. They have a forecast of having 4-year sales of around $2.75 billion. This forecast, in fact, came just days before the group unveiled a new partnership with Microsoft. Again, Palantir is out here making moves. These type of moves, these type of expansion that they're trying to do is the reason why that top Wall Street analyst increases price target. It's real simple. When you make calculated moves like this, strategic moves like this, people will begin to have more optimistic forecasts as to where the price is going to go. Now, the question I'm going to ask you is, did not the price chart talk about this, kind of reveal this before all this information came out on the internet? Palantir will also adopt Azure's OpenAI with the ability to deploy it in the classified environments among its growing base of government and intelligence community clients. Quote, with this marquee deal solidified and Microsoft leveraging Palantir for AI and large language model capability to the US government, the company can now increase the pace of AI implementation while Palantir continues to accelerate AIP adoption within the federal sector. This is the Wall Street analyst right here, Dan Ives. He's the one that increases price target. And apparently the cause as to why the price went up. Ives carries an outperform rating and a $38 price target on Palantir. Citigroup analyst Tyler Rake, who lifted his Palantir price target by $2 to $30 a share. So we got $38 and $32 or $30. Let's look at the chart. Well, it looked like that Citigroup analyst already hit his target. He's at $30. The market is currently at $30.57. Now, we did this price prediction in Palantir on the 23rd. The only thing that I don't like is this volatility that the market went down before it hit our target. That's the only thing. But man, we were still accurate in looking for Palantir to continue to go up. It exceeded this first sell zone, which we talked about on that video, so we can get rid of that. This stock is still bullish though. And this confirms the bullishness is because when the market did go down on earnings, where did it stop going down at? This trend line. So this trend line is still applicable. It is still valid. Okay. So now, $38 price target is where Dan Ives has his target. You guys ever wonder how they come up with their price targets? Look at this. We've already got a sell zone at $38. So I'm not surprised that he has a target there. It's not rocket science. These people get paid a lot of money just to create their targets. And here we are, sitting at $38 before he even came up with his new adjusted price target for Palantir. It's already on the charts. That's why I'm here to tell you all is that you don't have to listen to these Wall Street analysts. The information is already here. This is taking Palantir to cracking all-time highs. I mean, are we aiming in that direction? Yeah. This particular stock looked like it wants to hit these all-time highs. When will it happen? I don't know. But looking at this on a weekly chart, look at that signal we already got. Buy. Our proprietary software is already telling us that the market in Palantir is a buy. Just like it said it here. Just like it said it here. Just like it said it here. So when you have these things pop all at the same time, you can only say, okay, cool, let me pay attention. This is on the 2-weekly chart. This is a very strong bullish market in Palantir. Right there. Here it is on the 3 weeks. It's even more bullish. And on the 5. So long term, yes, I think the market in Palantir is going to continue to aim up. What we're going to do is we're going to hold this price prediction. Like I said, this is a sell zone. So that's why the market currently is sputtering and is having issues trying to continue to break out. It has to break this sell zone first. So if you were to get out the market now, cool, 5.3% at the high of that sell zone, 9.25. Okay. But we're going to just extend this price prediction because I do think Palantir wants to go higher. And let me see if we can do it like another sell zone. So let's just do another target of like 35. Okay, so we're going to extend it up to 35. 34, $35. So let's just do 34.50. And we can see that that is, let me see, 19.75%. I think the long term, yeah, the market is going to try to break those all-time highs in Palantir, but it's going to be it could be a rough ride. Considering the volatility in the market, it could be a rough ride. So just look forward to that too as well. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at though. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. I think you guys feel the same way in regards to Palantir maintaining this idea that it's bullish. We'll just come back in periodically and just see how the market price action has occurred against what we suspect it's about to do. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next one.